Belum, Lin?
Udah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Rudy, we from Group 11 will present a presentation about Chapter 12, Computation Skill and Interpersonal Collaboration. Member of Group Nabila Minerva Prameswari, Dinda Puspita Dwi, Lina Sonatul Hasana, and Adam Ferdi. Starting with Dinda.
Dinda duluan.
Overview. This chapter focus on enhancing collaborative relationship between pharmacy and other health care provides in order to ensure better patient outcomes. The chapter first describes the value of establishing collaborative relationship as a means to improving medicine therapy management. The barriers and facilitators to developing this relationship are described along with practical example of effective strategies. The importance of building trust is highlighted, as well as the impact of using effective communication skill to strengthen trusting relationship. Finally, essential steps and behaviors to building collaborative relationship are discussed. Many pharmacies are realizing that they must work more closely with physical and other healthcare provides in order to facilitate this process. The documentation illustrates that it behoves pharmacy and other providers to aim in developing collaborative arrangements, knowing that number one, pharmacy working in the collaboration with physician stroke designed appropriate medication use can prevent errors and reduce drugs costs. It's it all. Number two, when faced with the reality, the mental health issues are typically complex for one health professional to handle. The need for interdisciplinary expenses must obvious. Number three, patent adherence with medication significantly improves when pharmacy and physicians collaboration. Number four, confrontational relationship and procedural obstacles can be replaced with collaborative and trusting relationship when both physicians and pharmacy work on reducing feeling of discomfort about each other's skills, rules, and authority.
Next, Nabila Minerva Prameswari. The old West axiom that two heads are better than one holds true when it comes to standing relationship between pharmacy and other healthcare providers. The man's bold can see the wisdom of training to escape something. The 19 professional called a Steve online via comparative plan-centered partnership. When both see the wisdom of the collaborative partnerships, they will work to finding the most appropriate structure to organize, plan, and implement Their collaborative effort range explosive has was that painting care is improved when pharmacy and author progress in building collaborative partnerships using the following strategies. Rousing they are crafting opportunities for change. I like meet individual come together to tackle an issue important to take importance. Mobiles response to cry change the develop a stare and confession of what long-term change will be as they strive for better health outcomes. The transcends personal intrinsic involvement of other the reverse and not non-traditional patrons caused on offensive groups that structure to exhibit open horns and strutting competition and develop some time of feedback systems to lens trains can be hard with outer. Most collaboration partnership evolve into more formalist or arrangement work practice. She are understanding of the cons of their collaboration, identifying the various collaboration partner, develop mechanisms to govern themselves, develop mechanisms to handle star, the refuse and expense, and the store and stas and the foster for any Netflix night of professional stunts then will strand their partnership and also stimulate other partnerships to the level of goodness for partner relationships clearly drive that communication that determine how varying professional cultural insights are handled. Establishes criteria of when the collaboration might be dissolved in the future. Next, Lina.
Initial step to developing collaborative arrangement. When the time comes to approach precision, it will be much easier if you have done your homework and have identified the following. Healthcare practitioners will have an interest in the proposed partnership. Individuals willing to share time and resources to make your collaboration work. Patient or patient group who might benefit from your partnership. Solicited the support of community, agency, and media interests who would like to see your collaboration be successful and contribute to your community. Assemble example of other collaborative relationships that have worked with description of their structure and governance. Next. Additional factors that influence the development of trust include Consistent behavior over time reinforces positive or negative feeling about truth. Common goal or vision helps strengthen trusting relationship. Mutual respect for each other should exist. How the individual parties reach when the relationship is strained. For example, when a medication error occurs, could weaken or strengthen the relationship. Mutual understanding of any economic gain from the partnership. Next, perception that appear to be essential to forming collaborative interaction include: 1. Does this person share in my goals? 2. Does this individual recognize that we are creating opportunity for change as like-minded individual to tackle an issue important to our patient? 3. Does this person have the required knowledge and ability to help us reach our goal? 4. Will this person stick to his or her community's minds and be reliable? Will this person share with me information that I need to know? Does this person want me to be successful as a partner in this intervention? Is what we are doing creating real value that will be of service to patient? Next. 6. Critical behavior within collaborative partnership. Number 1. Relationships have long-term and short-term gain. Number 2. Relationships are non-hierarchical and based on equality. Number 3. Considering a patient perspective. Number 4. Trust and shared vision are central to this relationship. Number 5. Relationships should demonstrate respect for the culture of each professional. Number 6. Collaborative relationships should be voluntary. Okay, next. Strategies to build collaborative relationship. Develop joint statements that support patient right to be involved in making informed decisions affecting drug therapy and that articulate the value that patient trust, safety, and relationship with caregivers always come first. Host jointly sponsored professional meetings, especially at the local level, to help develop spirit, understanding, and awareness of physician and pharmacy responsibilities in drug therapy and why collaborative approaches to drug therapy benefit all. Build effective communication, administrative, and documentation systems that allow pharmacists to share relevant patient information in accordance with a policyable ethical standard, accepted medical and pharmacy practice, and federal status and regulation to provide continuity of care for patients. Stimulate the development of technology to enhance communication within collaborative practice. A shared patient database relevant to drug therapy. Volunteer to work jointly on committees and projects that enhance patient education and adherence, investigate drug therapy issues, and promote better practice wilderness. Start with a project that has a limited scope, such as monitoring patients on warfarin or patients with diabetes. Expand service after documenting impact. Okay, Nabila.
That's our presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.